everyone! Today we'll be unboxing the Fabfitfun for summer 2020. Let's begin. So when we open the box, the first thing that we see is the magazine that Fabfitfun has for every quarter. And this tells you what items you received, what the retail value is, and other informations about what they support, how you can use their products, things like that. Okay. And they also have some coupons here as well. Okay. Okay, so this first thing here is the Tom sunglasses. This is one of the items that I was able to customize. These are what they look like. They're black, matte black. So a gray and dark green on the side. Let's see how much this retails for. Okay, so this item right here retails for $58, and these are the Sydney sunglasses. Okay. The next item here is this big thing from Mason Home Scent Collections. This is a solstice diffuser, and the smell is of bergamot, vetiver, geranium, and patchouli. Let's see. This is also one of the items that I was able to choose during customization. And let's see. And this item retails for $59. So let's see what it looks like in person. Okay. Here is the scent. It came individually in a bottle so it doesn't spill. And then these are the diffusing reeds. Okay. And at the bottom, we have the diffusing base. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. You can use it as decoration. You can put this scent inside and then put the reeds inside, and it will diffuse the scent throughout the house. This is beautiful. Okay. The next item is this Winky Lux Unibrow Pencil. I don't use eyebrow products, so I will be giving this away. But let's see what the full retail price of this item is. Let's see. Nope, not that page. Oh, here it is. So it's two-sided, and this retails for $16. So this is not an item that I was able to customize. They just chose whichever one they sent to me. The next item is this Grace and Stella Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Let's see. Oh man, so hard to open. Let's see. Let's look at the retail value of this first. So this item right here retails for $25. That's the price of it. Okay, finally got it open. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay. The next item in this box is this toner. Let's see. Terramere Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. And this product retails for $54. Let's check it out. Wow, it's a big size. It feels like it's glass. So this is what the container looks like. Okay. The next item in the box is this Sponge Gel Hand Cream in the scent Coconut Verbena. And this item retails for $18. The next item is this Cali Cosmetics Food Cream with menthol and tarocco. Interesting. This retails for $24. And now there's one last item in the box. Let's see. Let's see what this retails for. So this last item is this Business and Pleasure Co. Cooler Bag. And this retails for $59. Okay. So let's see what it looks like. It has this shoulder strap. And you can hold it from there too. And you can open this too. Okay, got it. So this would make a great lunch bag or a cooler bag when you're going out traveling, camping, or you want to bring lunch with you but you don't want it to change temperatures too much. It's really convenient and cute. So that's it for the summer 2020 Fabfitfun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!